talking about my animal world character that I've been working on for the past few weeks. I am 9 years old and I'm in 4th grade, moving up to 5th grade. My school is Crosstown Elementary, and my animal world character is a panda. And I changed it and made it a human character named Bambi. And he's a panda that has a panda face, panda hands, but human body. He lives in the animal world. He's my animal world character. And I changed this panda to this human character that's going to be in my animal world. This is Bambi, and Bambi loves to eat. That's how his face is very big. And he's very naughty. He loves to sneak and steal stuff from other people. So he's still learning. He's getting used to his world. And how does Bambi eat? He eats with his paws, which grab hold of bamboo and let him eat. Where does Bambi live? Bambi loves to live in bamboo trees. So he's in a bamboo forest. He is very alone, but he gets to visit his friends once in a while. And he loves to wear sweaters a lot. That's why he wears his favorite sweater. And how does Bambi sit? Bambi sits like a panda because he's in the panda world, or the animal world. And he sits like a panda, not like a human. But he has a human body, so he has to use his reflexes to sit like a panda. And how does Bambi play? If you can see, there's a baby panda right here, and this baby panda loves to get stuck in bamboo. Bambi is helping the baby panda and loves to play with his friends and family, I guess, because he's in the panda world. And he got a stick of bamboo and he's feeding it to the baby, and also it's stopping the baby from going down the waterfall. And the mama panda is just there looking after her baby while these two play, Bambi and the baby. And a big machine. Bambi has many problems in the animal world. He has trouble getting bamboo sometimes if they're really high and out of reach. That's the big machine. The tools that he uses for getting bamboo for the little ones or for the injured pandas or for him, he would use an axe, a bucket, and this bucket is full of bamboo, and a knife for chopping down the bamboos to make it small enough to go in his sack. If you can see, he has a sack on. And Bambi also has problems crossing the rivers because the rivers are very deep. Some rivers are super duper deep, and that soaks him up, and he doesn't like to swim much. So what he does is that he makes a bridge out of broken trees, if you can see here. there are some broken trees that he cut down with some of his tools, and he made a bridge out of it with the branches that were still on the trees. And also he made a raft so that if you want to travel through water but you don't want to get to the other side, you just want to travel down the river, then you can with the raft. This is my spider monkey. He is the villain character, and I talked to my friend named Ravant. This is his Animal World character in his Animal World. So then I took it and I made it my villain character. And what the spider monkey is trying to do, so there's a snake here, and the snake has eggs. The spider monkey is planning to get the eggs and throw it at Bambi, and he's shocked. I mean, the eggs aren't hatched yet, so the mama is going to be really angry, really sad, and the solution to that, he gets the vines and he ties a rope, he ties a rope and then he makes a nest out of the other two, and then he lassos the rope, gets the spider monkey tied up, gets the eggs, puts them in the nest, and gives it back to the mama snake, which solves the problem. He's the hero of this whole Animal World adventure. So, yeah, that's it. Thanks for listening, and